Hello learners, NIOS welcomes you to Painting Subject Video Series. This is Lesson 2, Painting of Indus Valley Civilization Part 3. Now we will learn about the summary and question answers of this lesson. What have we learned from this lesson? We will discuss some important points. That the Indus Valley Civilization art has influenced and affected modern art and culture. For example, the storage jars which we saw in the Indus Valley civilization is similar to what we have now. They have paintings. The costumes also, the armbands, the bangles the women are wearing are similar to what we saw or we see in the Indus Valley civilization art. So it has a deep effect on modern Indian art. The painting were only found on potteries which were used either as storage or burial jars and serving pots. These were the ones which were used to make paintings on them. The pots were beautifully decorated with diversified designs, geometrical shapes, animals and bird figures and forms, and most of it was done in black. The artists of the Indus Valley civilization had a very natural feel about the forms they used. The forms were also very natural, basically animal figures, bird forms and shapes, and they depicted all these natural forms and figures in a marvelous way, which shows that they were very skilled and it had childlike spontaneity. The designs like the bull and the tiger designs have been painted with enormous sensitivity. The abstract form of the tiger, the strong depiction of the antelope and the bull, they really talk a lot about the designing skill of the artists. The Indus Valley civilization artists were skilled and really able in their art to create powerful symbols, which is really remarkable. Very visual, creative, innovative symbols which had a very deep effect on modern Indian art thanks to Indus Valley civilization and the skill of the artists. Let us go through the questions now. What are the base colors of the Harappan pottery? When was the earliest pottery found? Write 3 lines about the serving pot with tiger motif. Next question. What animals are depicted on the jars and pots? What color is used to paint the designs? How are animal forms fitted according to the different shapes of the different jars? The answers: the base colors of Harappan pottery are red and buff. The earliest pottery was found somewhere around 2500 BC. Answer number 3. The first point is the long slender tiger figure between black lines. Second point, body of the tiger has crisscross design. Point number 3, round dots above the tiger figure. Answer number 4, the animal figures primarily depicted were tiger, bull, antelope, snake, fish, and birds. Answer number 5, natural red base with black lines. Answer number 6, the tiger and the bull, which have been depicted on the two jars, the body of both animals has been changed to fit the shape and size of the jar. The second set of questions now. Question number 1. When were the earliest painted pottery with geometric patterns found? Question number 2. Write 3 to 4 lines about the fish scale pattern in Indus pottery. Question number 3. Write 3-4 lines about serving pot with geometric fish motif. Question 4. What geometric patterns are used by the artists? Question 5. Write about the balance and proportion of geometric pattern of the Indus pottery. Answers. The earliest painted pottery with geometric patterns were found in the 3rd millennium, that is 3000 BC. 3-4 lines about the fish scale pattern. A. Fish scale pattern, most popular design. Second point, the fish scale pattern uses circle or semicircular design. C. The Indus Valley civilization artists used circle prominently. It was a very important shape used by the Indus artists. Answer number 3, point A. The triangular lines indicate scales inside the fish's body. Second point, B. Upper section also has triangular lines. Fourth answer, the common shapes used were circle, triangle, and square. Answer 5, point A. Balanced design in both the upper and the lower pattern was repeated. B. The extra space is filled with eye-catching geometric forms. C. The circular bands, which are made in black, are used as a separator and to add a kind of a rhythm to the design. I hope you enjoyed watching part 3 of the lesson. If you have any queries, you can email us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you may visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.